Alright, now what we're gonna do is voice over this shit when we're done.
So we can, even if we strip it, we'll probably still get it.
I got the impact too, but I don't know why. I just got a good feeling about these. Because it looks like it's the first time somebody might have actually put a screwdriver on it, so seeing that we're starting with the correct screwdriver, we should be okay.
I'm starting. Oh, come on!
What do you think?
I don't know, bud. I think we're already screwed.
It needed it, look.
Oh, yeah.
It had to be done.
Yep. Oh, yeah, there's poop everywhere in it. It smells beautiful.
I mean, I can see light. I feel like that's not quite enough.
Oh, I've seen light. No, not quite enough.
That's quite enough.
Now you can see through it real well.
Ew. Yes.
Nice.
Just the nose. It was close though. Probably on an air screw underneath this.
So you can definitely take that air screw home. I'm gonna have to freaking buy this.
I love how there's like no actual screw on it.
Yeah, I know, it's weird, right?
Count your turns.
Yeah.
One. What was that, like 1 1/8?
Should we write that on something?
Sure. You're asking for a pen, right?
No, I said I know where there's one.
Oh.
Remember earlier I kept telling you I found a pen?
Oh.
Oh. Because you never listen to me. 1 1/8. There. Oh man. Did you have that razor blade out here somewhere?
Did you find it?
I could scratch at it with this key.
It can't be that far.
I wouldn't imagine. Yeah, no, I don't know what you do with that razor blade, so.
Maybe I put it in my pocket.
If you did, that was a seriously dangerous thing to do. Or if you sliced your butt cheek.
Are you supposed to take gaskets off? 'Cause I never really learned.
I don't know. I've never found a good way to do it that doesn't ruin the surface.
Because some people get their shit really nice.
Yeah, dude.
And I've like tried to research this a little bit.
I have not found
So if anybody knows the secret, put it in the comments.
Yeah, for sure, because I don't know. Everything is there.
Yeah. We don't really know what we're doing here.
Most of the time I don't. Most of the time I have absolutely no idea what I'm doing. I just wing it.
Across the room. Once I
Once I get pissed off. When it doesn't work or I ruin more shit. Well, throw this. Super clean. Hello?
We need one of those.
Yeah.
High jet.
It goes in over here, right?
No. Yes. Question mark.
Question mark? That's really the only place I'm seeing threads. Well, don't mind Shaky McGee here. I don't shake for any. Does this just screw all the way down in?
Yeah. Just till she's snug and just about 1.5 turns after that.
After that, pull the threads. Get the threads real bound up so it don't come back out.
All right, and then we got our air screw for the side.
Yeah, dude. The meat hook here is going to be able to screw that in.
Well,
Oh, it definitely doesn't work, but can't even get it to turn. Oh my gosh. Try Mr. Right Hand. Since my left, see? Righty tighty. That's what the problem was. I was using my left hand. Oh, come on, bro.
you're gonna need one of those.
That's the nice stuff.
So where are we going now?
1 1/8.
1 1/8. So half. 1 1/8.
Let's go.
Now we'd be ready for a needle and the
you
bowls.
You gonna try one of those spring ones?
Yeah, why not?
Yeah, I guess.
That way, in case it doesn't work, we can take it back apart.
I do love doing it twice. That's how we do it right. So I'm still getting.
Well, how about now?
Nope, that's a good spot.
Because
just one-
I feel like we're actually pulling it back.
Up when it goes down
Maybe
that
not.
hard. When we full up. It
Well, yeah,
should-
you can-
yeah, no, it's ass backwards because it's upside down carburetor. So it's got to come up to shut the gas off. Both flings outward.
How about now?
Yeah. It's back ass.
We really know what we're doing.
Yeah, this carburetor's got me looking dumb. All right, so then we just need a gasket to. This
Right.
actually is a one-way gasket, by the way. It only goes on in one direction. Sure, that's the way that goes. able to tighten this one. Leave that one alone. I want this to leak.
What's the torque specs?
Gudentite, the German spec.
That's not making it in the video, you fucking fag.
Oh,
I don't know. Cliff might laugh.
I could get a laugh out of Cliff with it.
Wrecked him? Damn near killed him.
Cliff will give me a ha. That's his one. He gives me one good ha when you realize.
Ken and Cliff aren't even able to hear the next 3 minutes of this video because they're not going to be done laughing yet.
Oh man, they are my favorite people at the shop. The two old men.
All right, and that's how you half-ass rebuild a carburetor.
Now I'm rising, and you can't bring me down. You can't stop me now. Can't stop me now. My feet have come too far for you to tie them to the ground. You can't stop me now. Can't stop me now. Set my sights on where I'm going at. Ain't turning back around. You can't stop me. Sacrifice. Oh, I paid the dearest price. There no shortcuts here for destiny. I'll take the long way proud. Oh, I know what I've earned, and now it's my turn to light in the fuse that it burned. My time is rising, but you can't bring me down. Can't stop me now. Can't stop me now. My feet have come too far for you to tie them to the ground. Can't stop me now. Can't stop me now. Set my sights on where I'm going. I ain't turning back around. Can't stop me.
Drive straight into my car, please.